Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Raya box number 6. This puzzle was designed by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey. Difficulty level of the Raya box number 6 is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 parts inside the frame so that there will be no sticking out parts and all parts will be below this line. As you can see, the frame of the puzzle has some restrictions. You can't use the entire opening because of this acrylic transparent part, and it covers a big portion of the opening and leaves you only 2x3 voxel opening. That means that when you put something inside, like for example this L-shaped piece, you can put it inside only like this or like this, but you can't put it inside like that since there is not enough space. And also when you put it inside and for example leave it here, as you can see, this part covers only half of the voxel. That means the other half sticks out here and it makes the opening smaller. And for example, if you want to put this part inside like that, you can't do that already. And if you put other parts inside, the opening becomes even smaller and smaller. And as you can see, I can't even fit this part and there are still 2 more parts left. So it will be quite a challenge to find the correct solution of the Raya box number 6. This puzzle has 6 parts, or they come in pairs, like there are 2 L-shaped parts, there are 2 parts like this and 2 more parts like this. Raya box number 6 is a part of 8 puzzle series starting from Raya box number 1 up to Raya box number 8. Each puzzle has a unique set of parts and unique solution, and all of them are great puzzles. If you like the Raya box number 6 and you want to buy it or you want to buy other puzzles from Raya box series, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, I'll assemble the parts outside the frame so that you can see the assembling, and then I'll explain how to put everything inside. The assembling will be like this. It looks pretty simple, and when I was solving the puzzle, I tried disassembling a lot of times, but I always put these 2 parts in the wrong orientation, and I spent a lot of time trying to find how to fit this shape inside, since I was sure that this is the only correct assembly. Since when you put everything inside, the first thing that you can remove is this piece, then you can remove this part, but then you have 4 parts inside and you don't know what to do next. But the next move will be, you have to put these 2 parts like that. You move this one to the left all the way, lift it up 1 step since the restriction won't allow you to remove the piece all the way out. Then you move this piece 1 step to the left, and these 2 parts are supposed to be like that. Then you move this piece here, this goes here, and that's when you can remove this part. And then it will be very easy to remove the rest of the parts, like this, and then this one. So how to put everything back inside the frame? So you put this part inside and to the corner, then you put this part here. Now you move this part to the left, like that, and you put this part right here. Now we have to put this part. You just tilt the box to the right, all the parts will shift to the right. This goes inside and you move it 1 small step to the front. Then you tilt the box to the left, this piece will move to the left. Tilt it towards yourself, this piece will go to the front. This will drop down. You can move both parts to the right, and that is how you fit all parts inside of the Raya box number 6. That was the solution of the puzzle. As you can see, quite simple when you know the correct assembling of parts. Now you have to remove everything from the box to complete the solution. You start from removing these 2 parts, that is easy. Now you move this part to the left and lift it up like that. Then move this piece 1 step to the left. Tilt the box this direction so that this piece will move to the front. Tilt the box to the right so this piece will move to the right. Now we can remove this part and it will be easy to remove the rest of the parts and the puzzle is solved both ways. And that is the solution of the Raya box number 6. Great puzzle, great solution, great designer. If you want to try other puzzles from Raya box series, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.